Good morning, everybody. It's Chris Sheldon here at A&R Supply Company in Albuquerque, New Mexico, making another video for you all this morning to highlight a new product that we're carrying here in our store in Albuquerque and that we're also adding to our web store at www.arsupplyco.com. And that new item that we're adding is waste tank gasket material. This is so that you can replace the old gasket that is on your waste tank or waste tank lid. Because what happens on truck mounts is with the heat, moisture, vibration of the truck mount, this material becomes brittle, it breaks, it flattens out, and what can happen is you can lose vacuum through a failed waste tank gasket. So our roll of gasket material makes it really easy to replace it. We do sell this by the foot. We don't have a minimum amount. Most truck mounts are gonna take 9 to 12 feet in that ballpark. So what you wanna do is just measure the amount you need, and if you're on the web store ordering, just enter that amount into the quantity on the product listing. The price of it seems really cheap, and that's because we do sell it by the foot. So if you need actually 10.5 feet, please go ahead and order 11 feet because we don't sell this in half-foot increments. So again, if you need 10.5 feet, go ahead and order 11. It's always better to have a little bit extra. So a few tips on how to replace your waste tank gasket. Obviously, you want to remove all of the old material before you put adhesive on and put your new gasket on. You want to scrape all the old adhesive off the lid or off the top of the waste tank. And then you want to glue it down. You want to cut your strips out. You want to measure, cut your strips to the appropriate length. And then use a good waterproof glue, like marine glue is the preferred glue. I've also used liquid nails in the past with good results. So it's basically easy. Just take your time, clean up your surfaces really good, and you'll get your vacuum back and no more vacuum leaks. So if you have any questions, just give us a call at 505-872-9702, or you can send me an email at chris@arsupplyco.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.